everyone. We're zigzagging round the country lanes in Cheshire. I'm Nessie.
And I'm Andy. And we're just heading towards Beeston. And in front of us on the top of a mound is Beeston Castle. Lots of old cottages around here.
Lovely thatched roofs.
Yeah. Beeston Castle is on its own little hill. Never actually been up to the castle. I've driven past it, but never actually been up there for a wander about. And we are a member of English Heritage, so we could go there for free, being members of English Heritage, but we paid for a lifetime membership, so we can go anywhere there's English Heritage and get in for free.
Does that cover Welsh Heritage as well?
Yes, it does. And we're also a member of the members of the National Trust. And sometimes they work together, so we can get into both wherever we go. We're actually coming into Beeston itself. It's only a small place, Beeston. I don't know the history of Beeston Castle offhand. I never had a chance to look it up before we came out because we didn't know we were coming this way. We just jumped in the car this morning, or the Range Rover, the Black Beast, and looked at what the weather was going to do. And I thought, right, we'll go north. But south it was going to be raining, so we came north.
Pointed our nose in a northerly direction.
That's right. As we get closer and closer, you get a better view of the castle up on the hill. Castle on the hill. Quite steep up there. Cottages to my left.
Castle View Retreats.
And you can certainly see why they built a castle up on there. Not easy to access if you're attacking the castle. On this side anyway. Another cyclist. I think this is the same one I overtook before. It's probably wonder where I went.
Yeah.
Follow the road round towards Beeston Castle. Or this bike. Is he going to let me by? Yeah.
It's like another castle up on the hill there.
That's Peckforton.
Is it?
That's Peckforton Castle.
Oh, we've stayed there.
Yeah, we've actually stayed at the hotel at Peckforton Castle because they have the Land Rover off-road course at Peckforton.
Yes. And they have a spa.
Yes. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Lovely hotel, Peckforton.
They do a lot of other things there as well, don't they? They've got archery and lots of activities.
Quite a lot goes on there at Peckforton. Following round on these narrow country lanes in Cheshire.
Keep your wits about you in case something comes in the opposite direction around these bends.
That's right. Actually into the village now, east, and we're going to do a left, sorry. Not
Left.
Right. We're going to go left. Oh dear, my lefts and rights. This takes us up towards Castle. There's something coming. Oh, we've got...
They don't know what to do.
No. Let's go.
Please stay in there.
Let's keep going.
Mr. Merck.
narrower as we go. Quite a few people hiking up towards the castle.
Some tiny little cottages along here. It's like a picnic area there.
Yes.
Ahead of us. Oh, and there must be a pub round here. This must be. Oh, it's a sandstone trail.
Part of the castle up in front of me.
Oh.
The entrance to the castle. There's the big doors.
I think you'll find their gates, dear.
Yes. Yes. That to my right is the car park for the castle. Park there and go up to the castle. We're not going to the castle today because it's not that warm.
We'll do it another time. Have a wander around in the castle with the camera.
Yeah. Another man on a bike in front of us.
He wants the whole of the road.
Yeah. Well, I can't really get by him at the moment.
He won't go in the mud.
No. He's got to turn anyway. We'll probably be turning as well. We're going to turn down this road as well. We're going to follow him.
That's upset him.
Yeah.
Oh, he's pedalling like crazy.
Yeah.
It's all right, we're not going to run you over. Oh,
No.
oh, Mr. Pheasant across the road.
You nearly had the pheasant.
Oh, dear.
Well, I'm not going to follow this chap for miles.
No.
It looks like I haven't got a lot of choice. There isn't a lot of room to get by him.
No. You go off-road over here a bit.
I could do a bit off-roading. Yeah.
How much room have you got to give him?
It's supposed to give him
A metre and a half, is it?
Yeah, something like that. Something like that.
The road's not much more than a metre and a half.
Yeah, this bloody new law that you've got to give so many metres past a cyclist. How the hell are you supposed to give so many metres past a cyclist when you're travelling on this road like this? It's impossible.
Go on, have your rant.
Now, the people who make these laws don't think about these things.
No.
Right, we're going to go past him now. There we are, he's safe. I haven't run over him.
No.
Not this time.
He's not fallen off.
Yeah. And now we've arrived in the little village of Tiverton.
As opposed to Tiverton.
Yeah.
The V and not a B.
Over a little bridge.
Oh.
Quite a narrow bridge. Just wide enough for the Range Rover.
Yes.
And there's
Breathe
a
in.
canal boat coming along the canal as well.
Pub for let there.
Yeah, the public's closed. Let's get my foot down and get away from a cyclist who
Oh, I don't think there's much chance of him catching you anyway.
not now, no. I've got away from him now. Yeah. Until we come up against another one.
Oh,
we
walkers now.
We got walkers now. How do you know their name is Walker?
Oh, very funny.
Right. We're going to go to our right and we're going to say cheerio for now before this cyclist gets to us. There's another one coming. I'm going to go.
Get out in front of him.
Get out and go. Right, thanks for watching. We're going to carry on in our trip around Cheshire and we'll catch you a bit later possibly.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching. If you like what you see, click the like
And subscribe.
and we'll catch you in the next video.
Bye for now.
Bye.